Hi, this is Tanishta Chatterjee for PETA. I am an animal lover and I've had 2 dogs as I grew up, and we started this whole thing where we sort of feed the local colony dogs and cats, and my mom and dad, they continue doing this for years now. So I feel very connected to the cause. There are so many animals on the street who need care. They are really in pathetic conditions, and if we pick up an animal from the road, then they just get more homes, and if we are encouraging breeding, then it's like sort of one less home for an animal which already exists and which needs care. Even people who have pets, and when their pets have litters and all, they're just like dumped on the streets because it's unaffordable for them to take care. So I think at various levels, whether it goes for street animals, sheltered animals, or pets at homes, it's very important to sterilize them. You know, a lot of my friends who want to, have animals as pets, they're fixed upon pure breeds because it's more fashionable to have them. But I mean, a lot of the pure breeds actually have a lot of physical problems. Some of them are deaf, some have spinal problems, skin problems. So I would say we should also spread awareness about mixed breeds because they're healthier. And we have to realize that, this planet is for all of us. It's not only for human beings, and we have to take care of nature and our surroundings, and animals and the street animals are a part of it. I always believe that we should impart this in our education system, for kids to learn how to take care of their surroundings, nature and animals. And love for animals is something that needs to be imparted from childhood. Instead of going to breeders and pet shops, if you want to take care of an animal, and if you have the time and the patience and the love for it to do it for a number of years, then I would say that please adopt.